This has been one of the craziest 3-day spans of my entire life. Quick life update. Let's talk about it. About 3 days ago, I posted an update about Frankincense Pizzeria. Since then, mayhem. I woke up this morning to my mom at the edge of my bed with my dad on the phone and my wife screaming. We made it to the news.
Frankincense restaurant is getting some major shine, and it's all thanks to this video posted on TikTok.
This is one of the best wings I've ever had. This is a 10.
That's local food critic Keith Lee reviewing some of the best bites created by owner Frank Steele. Steele opened his shop 4 months ago and says business wasn't exactly off to a good start. But on Monday night, a miracle.
I had this guy come in, didn't know who he was. And I like to ask my customers, where you're from, what do you do? And he quietly said, I'm a food critic.
Frank says he didn't think much of it until a few hours later when business got busy.
Our phone never stopped ringing. I sold more lemon pepper wings in the last 2 days than I have in the last 4 months.